Why do you think the Quran calls this realm and this world tens of times al-hayatud dunya? What does dunya even mean? Nowadays we say dunya, oh, it means, oh, this person's my world. Dunyaya, it's like my world. No, dunya literally means the lowest. God is saying, listen, what you see around you, this is my lowest realm that I got. This is the worst one. And you're sitting here in the worst one, you're saying, oh Allah, these blessings you gave to me, some of them are imperfect. Well, of course. This is the worst realm. This is the lowest realm. Of course. This realm is so low, I can't even give something perfect to you. These blessings you and I have in this world are just crumbs Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is pouring upon us compared to some of the other blessings He has prepared for us.